Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Miche. I wanted to give you a quick tutorial about using our online catalog so that you can easily see resources we have available at Highland Park or Jefferson Library. To get started, go to Library World, .com/OPAC, and that is our online patron access catalog. So libraryworld.com/OPAC. Once you are here, you can search different libraries. You can search Jefferson Library, or you can go into Highland Park Library, and I'll show you an easy way to go back and forth. We do not need a password, so go ahead and sign in. We are now in the Jefferson Library. The first thing that I would recommend doing is changing this field. You want to be searching by title or subject. If you do all words, I will show you what happens. Let's say you're looking for books about the beach. If you do all words, you are going to get anything with beach in the catalog. So this one was published by Beach Lane Books, but has nothing to do with the beach. I would suggest either using a title search or a subject search, or an author search if you are doing an author study and you want to see what we have available by author. So let's do title search. We want things that have beach in the title. Don't worry about this over here. This will just sort them alphabetically by the title. So now you see we come up with some different items that are available that have beach in the title. You can scroll down and look at the different items. Don't forget to look to see if there are multiple pages. It's hard to see, it's kind of small, but down here there would say there was another page if possible. This one only has 7 items, so there is not a separate page. But don't forget to look to see if there are other pages to make sure you're not missing something. So from here, there are 2 things you can do that would be most helpful for you. You can add books to a clipboard. So if you want to make a list of books you want me to pull from the library, you can add them to the clipboard. If you want a beach tale, add it to your clipboard. Scroll down. Let's say you don't want Curious George at the beach. You do want Duck and Goose Go to the Beach. Add that to your clipboard, and you can continue on. Maybe you would also like Ladybug Girl at the Beach. So now you've chosen any books you would like me to pull for you. You can go into your clipboard. You can list them in different ways, and you can send them to be printed. So you would get to here, Control P, and send those to the printer. You could easily walk into the library and hand that list to myself or an aide, and we will have the books pulled for you. So that is one easy way to use the OPAC. Another thing you can do is put a book on hold. So we want to clear our clipboard, go back home, and now we're looking up items again. One other thing that you can do, if we are searching by title again, and let's use beach, you can choose to put books on hold. So if you request a hold, it will send me an email. I will get the book ready for you and bring it to your classroom. All I need is your name. So if I was reserving this book, I don't need your patron ID number or your email. I really just need your name and you request a hold. I now have an email that will tell me to pull that book for you. Another nice feature is you can bounce back and forth between Jefferson and Highland. So if we don't have a book at Jefferson and you want to check the library at Highland or vice versa, sign out and jump into your other library, the other library. Again, we don't need a password. This is not case sensitive. Sign in to the other library. You can now search books over here about the beach if that's what you're interested in or that's what you need for your classroom. And you have the same options here to fill a clipboard with different books or request a hold. Either option is fine with me. If a title is not available, there will be a 0 here, meaning a student does have that item checked out. You can still request a hold and I will get the book to you as soon as possible. Please remember you can always come in and visit me in the library and we can pull books for you easily as well, but this is a way for you to shop and look for books while you are at home or you're working in your classroom. Thanks, I hope this was helpful.